Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing pop-up slides. Let's start. First of all, change the background's color, and then what you're gonna do is insert around the corner rectangle, decrease its size, and give it a white fill. Give it the first preset. The next what you're gonna do is insert a circle right on top left corner. Give it a gradient fill. Next, you have to do is change its direction if you want. Next, what you're gonna do is insert the number of the shape in the circle. And next, you're gonna insert around the corner rectangle. You're gonna give it shadow. Let's give it the fifth number shadow. Change its fill to white. Go to icons and then insert an icon. You're gonna decrease its size. Go to format shape. First of all, change it to a shape. Then give it a gradient. The next thing you're gonna do is put it into the middle and the center of your rectangle, and next insert text box for the title. And you're gonna go to text option and click on gradient fill and give it the same gradient fill as is used in the circle and the icon. By the way, let me tell you that you can download this free template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use. Let's put our content text. Change this fill to gray. Here you go. Next, you're gonna duplicate the shape, and then you're gonna reposition your other circle and the rectangle and replace the previous icon with a new icon and give it the gradient fill. First of all, changing it to a shape. Give it a gradient fill. Here you go. Next, you have to customize your text and the title and the content. And group your text and the shape. Next, you have to duplicate it again. Here you go. And you have to change the icon and change the color fill. Use a gradient. Here you go. Next, what you're going to do is group your shapes along with the text. So now let's duplicate the fourth shape, and then we're going to give it this fill and change its gradient fill. Here you go. Use a very different font for it. So the font I'm using is a pink and an orange. Here you go. Next, what you're gonna do is group your shapes and send the ones that you want to put forward to the forward. Now let's group the rectangle along with the icon. Here you go. Give all of them the fly and animation, their directions.